Your customers want support, no matter where they are. Be it WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, or your website. That's why Elevision CRM ensures that you're always available on all text-based messaging channels. With chat and messaging automation, you can deliver exceptional support anytime, anywhere, without missing a beat. Our journey with chat and messaging begins with a data-driven approach. Elevision CRM's AI dives into your historical support conversations to uncover common questions and customer intents. The result? A custom AI model tailored specifically to your business. One that understands your customers' unique communication styles and provides a roadmap for prioritizing automation. Elevision CRM integrates seamlessly with your existing CRM system, making setup a breeze. Our no-code dialogue builder lets you create conversation flows effortlessly, giving you the flexibility to automate customer queries end-to-end, or use partial automation to collect customer information, update custom fields, apply tags, route tickets, and much more. You decide which interactions are fully automated, like booking appointments, activating services, and which require a personal touch from a human agent. By combining AI-powered automation with human expertise, Elevision CRM empowers your team to handle requests faster, smarter, and more effectively. Our AI-powered chatbot is designed to scale with your business, helping you manage surges in demand with ease. Just like leading brands, Elevision CRM ensures that you're ready for anything, whether it's a 900% spike in chat volumes or staying ahead of the competition. Trusted by businesses aiming to revolutionize their customer support, Elevision CRM's automation solutions help you scale smarter, respond faster, and grow bigger. Take the first step to transforming your customer interactions. Automate with Elevision CRM today. Visit us at elevisioncrm.com or give us a call on +706 744 6386.